In today's video, we are going to clean the exterior vinyl on this pop-up camper. The unit is 20 years old. Overall, it's in really good shape, but the vinyl could definitely use a good cleaning. I'm just going to go around with the camera and show you some shots of the grime that we're going to try to clean off, and we're going to use a couple different products at different parts of it and see which seems to work the best. So you can see here we've got lots of accumulated dirt and grime. Let's see how we can clean that up. Just gonna go around here for a second, show you what we're dealing with. Spots like that. Over here. And I'm gonna pop up, no pun intended, to show you the top, which really needs a good cleaning. Here's more along the sides. I don't know if you can see that through the screen, but I'll have to get inside there a cleaning too. And really need a good cleaning up here on the top. That's just stuff that came off of the tree over the last day or so. I had it, a couple of days I should say, that I had it opened up, but you can see there's definitely a good cleaning in order here. And this is the other side of the pop-up here. Amazingly enough, this 20-year-old trailer that I have, the former owners had the owner's manual for it. Now, the owner's manual wasn't specific as far as cleaning the exterior vinyl. It said to use a mild soap and then rinse it off. So I'm gonna guess, I don't do product placement, by the way, this is just what I decided to use here. I got Dawn soap here, and I got this Camco mildew and stain remover. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick two areas of the vinyl, two dirty areas, and I'm going to clean it with this and with the soap. That mildew cleaner there on the right cost about 12 bucks a bottle. So if the soap and water mixture works as well, I'll just keep going with that. Well, let's see how this goes. So, I've decided to keep track of this complicated system I have. I'm going to use the yellow sponges for the dishwasher cleaner. I'm going to use the blue with this Camco stuff. And I'm going to put the pink ones in the bucket of water for rinsing. So, this area here is pretty nasty looking. I'm going to take see what the dishwashing soap does here. Rinse that off. That actually looks pretty good. I'm going to keep going with that over this area. Then I'll show you how it came out. Matter of fact, I'll just go along the whole line for the moment. Okay, I'm going to let that section that we just did dry off. Oh, I got this on spray off. I'm going to turn the top of that to spray. So this, you just spray it on. If this does a lot better job, I don't mind using it. It's just that I'm cheap, and if the soap and water method does as good of a job, I'll go with it. So this stuff does look like it's doing a pretty good job. All right, I'm going to go up the section of the trailer. What will be really interesting is when I get to the roof. That's really dirty, and we'll see how it goes up there. So here's the top part of the fold out the roof for the pull-out section. This is what I'm really curious about, to see how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna do this part here with the Dawn soap. Well, that's coming up pretty darn good too. I'm starting to think what I might do is just wash the whole thing with the soap and water section. And if I have any parts that are really tough to get clean, I'll use that other cleaner. Okay, let me soak that down a bit there. Okay, I'm kind of surprised. This is actually coming out a lot. This crap is coming off a lot easier than I thought. When I ran my hand over it, it seemed like it might be like really in there. Let's see. Hopefully this is on the camera. Yeah, I think that cleaner is actually a little better. Just a bit. So I think that's what I'll do. I'm going to wash the whole thing down with the Dawn and warm water combination. And then I'll show you the results. So I've cleaned half of the canvas, this side over here, or the vinyl I should say, with the soap and water. And now I'm going to move over and clean that side over there. As far as the exterior of this goes, my plan is just to take the mop and the soap and give the whole thing a good cleaning that way. So that came really good, actually. I'm going to go over certain spots of it with my $1.50 dollar store brush. I think the price is actually still on there. It is $1.50. Worth getting one of these for those kind of tough spots. Anyways, I'm going to do the rest of the trailer the same way. I'll just do a walk around after it's all done to show you the finished results. So I completely cleaned the exterior of the trailer with the soap and water. It came really good. That's all I'm going to do as far as cleaning the outside of it. Like I say, I used Dawn soap, but I'm sure that probably any dish soap would do the same thing. I'll just do a quick walk around here. Well, I thought I was going to have to use some expensive cleaners when I bought this unit, because if you recall from the original pictures, it was pretty dirty, but just finished the complete walk around. So in the future I'm going to have a video of cleaning the interior of it. It's some severe mold stains happening in there, and also I'm going to make a video. I'm gonna recock this whole thing. You can see this is getting pretty dried out here. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful.